So to begin with today, I had some bread, egg and beans for breakfast. For dinner, I was making a chicken curry. I also added in some peppers to give it nice flavour. I also made an aubergine bhaji, it's called, which is like fried aubergines in a pan, and also some bhindi, which is okra. This is the okra. I just sliced it into small slices and put it on the pan. This one's the aubergine. So I added a variety of spices like turmeric, chili powder and cumin powder, and I also added some salt. And in this I fried some onions, added the okra and some turmeric powder and some chili powder and also some salt, and I just fried it in the pan. And then I later that day went out for dinner in a Thai restaurant. So this place sells authentic Thai food. So we ordered a duck curry, which came with a red curry sauce. So the duck is breaded. This one is really nice, it's spicy, it's creamy, and it's got so much flavour to it, it's very different. And then I had some rice and some pineapple juice. Later in the day I had some kebabs, so these were beef kebabs with some rice and some salad, some hummus and some red sauce. So this was from a Palestinian cafe. So I added some of the sauce has so much flavour in. Just makes it so nice and creamy. And then I had a small snack of tea and biscuits. The next day I had a meat curry with some papadum and rice. After that, for dinner I had some liver, so some lamb liver with some chips. So the lamb liver was made into a curry and it had lots of coriander and spices added to it. So it went quite nicely with the chips. The curry sauce added flavour to the chips. This was the next day, and I had the curry that was left over with some of the naan bread. So this was a garlic naan bread. It was nice and soft. And for dessert I had some M&M brownies. These were nice and chocolatey on the top. In the afternoon I went to a burger place to eat. So it was a small restaurant. This was the interior of the restaurant. It was actually downstairs and the decor was themed gold and black. They had like a honeycomb effect on the walls with the tiles. So this was the beef burger that I ordered. It was like a gourmet burger and it came with some fries. The fries were really nice. They were seasoned and they were so crispy and it just tasted so nice and fresh. So it had a brioche bun and there was 2 beef patés and some cheese and some turkey rashers that you can see there. And then I ended the day with some bubble tea, which was a Thai milk tea. That's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.